Guys, today we'll talk about how to select only you who can see your local time on the application of Trello. You will go to this app, then we click in this sign. Here we go to this window of settings. After that we click on profile and visibility. Here in this page you will wait a moment. Then in this page of Trello you will wait a moment. Here you will go to this window of settings. Then we're scrolling down until you find manage your account. Here in this page you're scrolling down until you find this sign here. Then you can click on only you. Here you can know how to select only you who can see your local time. So please don't forget